Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about affirmation, building the business, masterminding the affirmation around the business. Business can be your personal goals, professional goals. So today we're going to talk about how we can impress the affirmation to like is yours. You, as I have talked about how to write it down and then how you can start believing and having faith within yourself, with yourself. And today I'm going to talk about the what is the process to really impress it in the conscious mind and subconscious mind. And stay the end if you want to have a full benefit out of these affirmations. And it's all about affirmation around the business. And let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor. And what I have learned from my mentors, the affirmation is something we are affirming. Affirming means uh, because if we not believing in something or having faith in something, and then we're just opposite, we are thinking worry, doubt, and fear, and that's what we are creating it. And affirming means something you're believing it, and then you having faith in that, and then of course you doing on the autopilot. Autopilot means you're telling yourself within yourself, this is what is it, and this is what I want. Now you know how to write down the affirmation, and now you know it works on the faith and believing yourself. Now we have to impress it on the conscious level and the subconscious level. Conscious mind is you know what you want as your affirmation, and then where it grows in the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is your ground where you plant your seeds, where you impress your goals in the subconscious mind. It's a process. So process means you have to take action because we are, everything happens like metaphysic and the physical, you have to take action. And then you got the affirmation as a physical. And now we have to do the both work, metaphysic and the physical. Physical, you can see something as we're going to take the action. The metaphysic is the words you have written on the affirmation, and of course you have to impress it with the feelings and with the emotions. So you have to write down your affirmation with emotion and feelings, and now you have to uh, start working with this affirmation and bring it on the autopilot. All autopilot's going to happen. Either you write it every day, one page of affirmation, same affirmation, or two, three different kind of affirmation, whatever around the personal goals or professional goals, the affirmation you have, and write them every single day. Or if you don't like writing, and you can record it and you can start listening it in the morning and before you sleep, because in the morning, sooner you get up and you can start listening it for around 10 minutes. You have to feel it, and you're already there, whatever your affirmation is. And do that same in the air before you sleep, because your subconscious is wide open once you sleep, and then it's working for you. And you can, if you have time in the afternoon, you can start listening it in the afternoon. You have to live in that feeling of the present. You already, whatever the affirmation you're trying to impress it. And or you can say it a few times in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and whatever makes easier for you. And writing cause thinking, thinking cause feelings, feeling cause images, image cause action, action cause reaction, reaction cause results, cause and effect. And writing is really good if you can write it one page in the morning, one page in the evening, every single day. Try it for 40 days and see what happens. Where your focus is, that what is grows, because we are spirit being. Spirit is always looking for expand and extension. And because every human being is born with infinite potential is always growing and expanding. And but we have to work with that potential and the focus. And wherever focus is, that's what is it grows. And as long as your focus and your thoughts and feelings are whatever you're doing as your affirmation is important, because you attract everything with emotion. So you must put emotion in your affirmation. Emotion means like feelings, or you're feeling really great about something, whatever you're trying to achieve. And so that is what you have to do as affirmation. So now you know how to write it down, and now you know with the faith and believing yourself. And the third process is how you're going to impress it in your subconscious mind, because everything grows in the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is your soil, and your is ground where you're gonna plant your goals. It's just like planting your seeds in the soil, and then you have to water it, fertilize it, and feed it, and take the weeds out. It's the same process. And growing your seeds in the subconscious mind, and then you have to take action every single day, not just one day, every single day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And so now you know how to work with affirmation. So tomorrow I will try to talk about again um, how to write it down. I did talk about it, then I will start talking about again how to write it down, really with the adjective and with the starting with. And yeah, so now you know how to work with the affirmation. Affirmation, they do work from if you from the start. Definitely, once you know what you want as a feelings and as your thoughts is, you become autopilot. So this is how the mind and universal laws works, because we are working with the laws and your own mind. So we are working with the own mind, but we have to understand how to work with our own mind, and of course with the universal laws. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Hopefully you're going to start taking the action. Without action, you're not going to see the reaction. Action and reaction, cause and effect, sow and reap, is all part of action. So thank you for watching the YouTube, and please leave your thumbs up and subscribe, because leaving your comments definitely going to help others. And if you wanted to have a further help with the personal goals, profession goals, and thinking to result, going to help you to achieve your goals. So whatever your goals are around your business, so we're trying to masterminding around the business. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Your homework is now impress your affirmation in the conscious mind and subconscious mind with the recording or writing it down, affirm it. So that is your homework. So try it for 40 days, see what happens without missing a day. It's every day action you have to take. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.